Hey guys, welcome to my channel. At the end, I'm going to show you how all this situation works here. This is a game changer. I mean, total game changer. And so we're going to go over here to start with this here. This is my chop saw. It looks kind of stupid sitting out there like that, but this is a great deal here. Because if I have a bunch of crap on my workbench, all I need to do is slide these deals in here. Just inch tubing. Goes into 1.25 inches. And now I don't have to worry about stuff on my bench getting in the way if I need to throw some metal on here and chop it. It just kind of makes its own little space there. I know it's kind of awkward to walk around, but it's totally worth it. So we're going to put these away. I've also got this here bench grinder. This is something that I do have room for, but it gets in the way a lot. So I came up with this little plate here that works for, you could use it for a lot of different things. Maybe a visor, I don't know. Even something like this. This doesn't need to really be mounted solid, but this does. You can unhook that. That just pinches down on it, on your plate there, on your tabletop. It just works pretty handy. I mean, I don't know if you can see how that's all works. I just put a spacer in there so when it tightens down, it pinches. And then I welded some studs on there to actually mount my grinder to it. Use your imagination. There's lots of things you could do with something like that. And of course, it goes back on there. You tighten her down, that thing ain't moving. You solid as the bench. So, then we're going to go around here. I've got this has turned out really cool. This is kind of a game changer too here. I used to have just a bucket of drill bits. Now I've got this. I've got a video on that as well. Go to my channel, Drill Bit Organizer. I talk about how that works and how I built it. Really worked well. Now, this is a super game changer, guys. I'm the inventor of the tool swing. I've got lots of videos on my channel. You need to go check them out. I'm going to put links in the description, but these just snap. So I just got a bender on that one. And this, I got my tubing notcher stuck on that one, just so I can knock some tubing out. There it is, ready to go. And then this one here, I got my vise on. Again, this thing is a beast. I've got lots of videos demonstrating how these things work. Go on my channel. I'm going to have a list of all the videos in order of which you should watch them to just get the gist of how they work and how well they're built. So go check them out. Let's get some people interested in this thing. These should be for sale somewhere. I've got a patent on it. It's an active patent. These should be in the store. You should be able to buy these somewhere. Maybe you guys know somebody that knows somebody. I would like to know that guy. Let's get this thing out there. With your help, maybe we can do her. And then over here I've got this elevator. This has been a huge hit on my channel. I've got a video there on my channel showing how it works up and down, how this attachment works, all that. You guys got to check that out if you haven't already. It's a great video. And then here up there is my bike, my next project bike. So I am going to build videos with that. We're going to do a series of everything I do. So far I've basically just stripped it down. I got that paint just sitting on there. There's some bars on there. Very little, haven't done much to it. You guys check out my other video. I've got it, what it started as. And from here on out, we're going to do videos showing the whole process. And I guess that's about it on that bike, but like and subscribe. And then here for the final thing that I wanted to show you is this situation here. I got my welders up there. I've got them piped and wire up over the ceiling. There's my tank sitting over there. They're all piped in or plumbed in. And this thing's awesome. I can put it wherever I want. Well, most of the time I'm going to be welding right here. If I need to weld on a frame or something over there, I can just pull it wherever I want. And now I can weld over here. This whole bay right here I can weld in. It'll swing all over the shop. Real easy. If I got a pickup in here, we actually did an exhaust for the cameraman there this morning. And I've got a little clip of that, how we swung over here so I can weld underneath this pickup. We put a muffler delete in there. But it'll swing all over the place. I can open this door. It'll go outside. I can weld about 10 foot outside on the driveway too. But it really works pretty good. I would rather have this than any welding cart. And that's usually where it sits. And all I gotta do is flip the switch and go to welding. So I think that's about it for now. If you got any questions, shoot them down in the old comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.